If you're carrying a $1,000 balance on a credit card right now, you aren't just carrying a debt, you are paying a tax on your existence. Think about it. Every hour you spend at work, a percentage of your labor isn't going to your rent, your family, or your future. It's being siphoned off to pay for something you already consumed months or even years ago. It's a predatory force that actively shrinks your life. I'm David, and today we're going to kill that tax. Let's look at a real-world scenario. You used your card for a $1,000 purchase, maybe a high-end console or a weekend getaway. The bank sees that balance and offers you a convenient way out, a minimum payment of just $25. This is exactly where the bank wants you to stop paying attention. To your brain, $25 feels like a win. You think, I can handle that. But that's the hook. At a 20% interest rate, that affordable payment barely touches the debt. You are essentially paying the bank a monthly subscription fee just for the right to keep owing them money. By the time you finally clear that balance, you'll have handed over nearly $1,600. That extra $600 is the cost of your hesitation. That's money that could have been the seed for your future wealth. Instead, it's gone forever. So, if this is clearly a trap, why do smart people walk into it anyway? It's not a lack of intelligence, it's a design flaw in your brain. Humans are biologically programmed to value the now over the later. When you buy something today, you get a physical reward you can feel. But paying off a debt? That provides no prize. It's just a digital number getting smaller on a cold screen. You've probably promised yourself you'll get serious next month. But let's be real. By the time you finish a grueling 12-hour shift, your mental fuel tank is empty. Self-control is a limited resource. When you're exhausted, your mind defaults to the path of least resistance. You aren't lazy, you're just human. And you can't win a biological war with willpower alone. To stop paying the existence tax, you have to stop fighting your biology and start using a mechanical system. The second your pay is deposited, you need to launch an automated strike. Do not wait until the end of the month to see what's left over, because your brain will always find a crisis to spend it on. In the Wealth Recipe Toolkit, which you can grab for free in the description, I've included 2 specific tools to make this work. First, use the traffic light audit to find the red light leaks in your spending. That's your fuel. Then, use the debt offense worksheet to map out your strike. Set $100 or more to move directly to that debt before you even log in to check your balance. If the money is never part of your available funds, you won't feel the sting of losing it. You make the right choice once, so you don't have to struggle to make it every single day. Finally, make your progress undeniable. You need to gamify this. Try to keep a tracker on your phone. Every time you knock $100 off that balance, check a box. Chasing that visual win triggers the same reward centers as making a purchase. Optimization complete. I'm David, and this was Explained in 5. Download the Wealth Recipe Toolkit below, plug the leak, and stop paying the bank for the right to exist. If this changed how you look at your statement, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.